Our project is titled as Automation of Medical Reimbursement, and we are doing this project for BSNL. The main aim of this project is to automate the medical reimbursement bill processing of the BSNL employees online. At present, in BSNL, all the medical bill processing of the employees is done manually. In this manual processing, there is a lot of hindrances. In order to overcome this, we have proposed the system. The main disadvantage of the existing system is that the existing system is very slow in process. There is a chance of loss in data. Due to personal rivalries, the data that has been submitted by the employees will not be passed to the next table, and there is a difficulty in maintaining and retrieval of huge records. In the proposed system, what we have tried to do is that we have automated the entire processing of Mediclaim online. Using this, the employees of BSNL can apply for the medical reimbursement online, and also the admin can clear the medical bills online and can intimate the employees about the same. The advantages of the proposed system is the claim processing is completed at a very faster rate. Users can know their status through frequent alert messages. The maintenance and retrieval of the documents have become easy and simple. There is no possibility of creating false identities. This is what is the architecture of our project. Herein, the user will be applying a form online, and then he will be submitting it. It will get stored in the server and will be updated in the database. Meanwhile, the dispatcher, who is a first level admin, will check for the claim that has been submitted using the user's unique serial number that will be present on the top of the application form. The dispatcher, on dispatching the application, it will be forwarded to the receiver clerk at the other end of the office. The receiver clerk too will do what the dispatcher has done and will mark any remarks that is present and will again forward it to the dealing assistant. The dealing assistant will check for the application and will see for the employee's status and his work at the office, and will put an amount that is eligible for, and then he'll forward it to the sanctioner, who will again verify what the amount clearance officer has done and will see whether the employee is applicable, or if the employee is eligible for getting that reimbursement money. If he is eligible, then he will give a sanction letter which will again be forwarded online and it will be sent to the user. The user can check for this by going to the Track My Application menu present at this website. The modules that we have proposed are: at the user level, apply for medical reimbursement, track user application, and at the admin level, dispatch receive user application, dealing assistant check and amount clearance, and sanction by the account officer. In the apply module, the user will be logging in through his username and password that he must have registered before, and then you will be applying it online, and you will be submitting it with all the original medical bills. In the track user application, what the user will do is he will continuously be checking his status, at which level this application is, whether it is at the dispatcher level or at the receiver level or at the sanctioner level. And in the dispatch and receive module, which is the admin level module, the dispatcher will verify the application of the user that has been submitted and will forward it to the receiver clerk at the other end of the office. The receiver, on seeing the complete application form along with the originals, types any remark if any and submits it. All those things will get updated in the database, and the same will be intimated to the user through Track My Application. At the dealing assistant, the dealing assistant initially looks for the designation, salary, and his or her relationship with the patient. Based on the above mentioned details, he calculates the eligible amount of money to be cleared. The dealing assistant passes the employee's application form with the amount eligible for sanctioning the claim. The account officer, who is the important person in the admin level, is the account officer checks the cleared amount quoted by the dealing assistant with the employee's medical bill amount. If all the requirements are met for sanctioning, the amount is sanctioned. Finally, the employee is reimbursed with the amount. This is what is a screenshot of the login module. Herein, the user will be logging in by entering their username and password, which they have registered at Register Here tab. Once entering into the user profile, The user must apply by clicking onto the apply form. The apply form looks like this. The user needs to type in all the fields that is required. Once typing all the fields, the user has to click on the submit button. At the receiver send, the receiver clerk will type in the serial number that has been uniquely generated on the application number. The dealing assistant, who is the third person at the admin level, checks for the application by clicking on the check tab, and again he'll be clicking on amount clearance for clearing the amount. The medical reimbursement claim form for outdoor treatment looks as follows. At the dealing assistant, the sanctioner's application form looks like this, and the sanctioner has to click on the sanction button for sanctioning. In order to contact the admin or any other officials at the BSNL, the user needs to log in to the contact us profile and has to send a mail ID mail through by clicking on this mail ID. In the feedback application form, the user can give in any feedback which will be forwarded to the mail ID that has been present, and for each and every mail that the user sends, there will be a reply mail. This is the logout screen of the project. The system requirements are: at the hardware level, we need a processor of 2.6 GHz speed, RAM 512 MB, disk space is 10 GB. The software requirements is at front end we need PHP, and at the back end MySQL 5.0. Thank you.